Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the emoji keyboard not showing on your iPhone. If your emojis have disappeared or the emoji keyboard is missing, don't panic. It's really easy to fix. So first of all, open the settings app on your device, then tap on General. After that, scroll down a little and tap on Keyboard. Then tap on Keyboards at the top of your screen. Here, you will see a list of all the keyboards currently added to your iPhone. Now, if you don't see the emoji in the list, that means it's not enabled. So, to add that, tap on Add New Keyboard. Then scroll down and select emoji from the list. Once that's done, go back and open Messages or any other app where you can type. After that, tap and hold on the globe or smiley icon on your keyboard and you should see the emoji keyboard appear again. If it's still not showing up, try restarting your phone. Sometimes a quick restart helps refresh your keyboard settings. And if that doesn't work, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version. To do that, go back to the Settings app, then tap on Software Update inside General. Here, if an update is available, simply tap on Download and Install. And that's how you can fix the emoji keyboard not showing on your iPhone quickly and easily. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks, and thank you for watching till the very end.